the public should have seen today that NEPA would have come to the country with a list of actions that are going to be taken to hold Windalco accountable for the recent spill. They listed three main things that will take place. One, they've initiated prosecution. Two, they have initiated the process to draw down on the environmental performance bond, some 770,000 US, over 115 million Jamaican dollars. And three, they have started the process, or rather intend to start the process, to initiate suspension of the environmental permits and licenses. This, to my mind, is a demonstration of how serious this administration is taking the issue of environmental protection. We're not perfect, but we certainly are working hard to ensure that we do all in our power to hold those accountable who breach our environmental standards and our environmental laws. We're also doing all we can to demonstrate to the public that we're not paying lip service to the environment. We protected the cockpit country. We're protecting the Pedro banks, as the Prime Minister would have said in Parliament shortly. And unlike those who would have done things like build on Goat Island or approve coal plants for St. Elizabeth, this government is saying we will do all in our power to protect our air quality, our water quality, and certainly our soil quality. Today is a good day for environmental action. I'm saddened by what would have happened, and I regret any displacement of those who live along that space, and the government will intervene to provide further support because we know people are hurting. But today we have demonstrated that the government will hold those who breach our environmental standards accountable.